In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-items in Monday.com and create subtasks effortlessly. If you're using Monday.com to manage your projects, you'll likely need to break down major tasks into smaller, more manageable components. This is where subitems or subtasks come into play, helping you organize complex projects more effectively. Let's start this process by navigating to Monday.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, it's time to dive into the board that houses the task you wish to break down further. So locate and click on the specific board you're working with. Finding the right board should be straightforward if you've labeled them clearly or arranged them in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Now that you have your board open, the next step is to identify the particular task for which you want to create subitems. You'll notice there's an option to expand this item next to each task. Go ahead and click on this. Expanding an item is a useful feature that allows you to view additional details and options associated with that specific task. With the item expanded, you should now see the option to Add Subitem. This is your gateway to breaking that task into more specific components or actions. Click on Add Subitem, and you'll be prompted to create a new subtask. Here's where you can get creative and specific about what needs to be done as a part of the larger task. When creating your subitem, consider the specific goals or actions it entails. Make sure to name it clearly and concisely, as this will be helpful when you or your team come back to review what needs to be done. Adding a due date, person responsible, or any other relevant information through fields available on Monday.com could also be beneficial in keeping everyone aligned and on schedule. Remember, subtasks are just as vital as the main task, so give them the attention they need in terms of detail and precision. Now that we've covered how to add sub-items in Monday.com, it's a matter of implementation and habitualizing this into your project management routine. Doing this can vastly improve your organizational capabilities, lead to more efficient project flow, and ensure all parts of your tasks are accounted for, thereby minimizing the potential for oversight. We hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to maximize the functionality of your Monday.com boards. Don't forget, the key to effective project management is not just breaking down tasks, but also regularly reviewing and updating them as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check out our other tutorials to level up your project management skills even further.